Hey there everyone, it's Nina Marie Trapani for Simon Says Stamp and welcome to today's quick tip video. Our Simon Says Stamp Easy Strip products are a convenient way to add quick yet beautiful greetings and phrases to your creative projects. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use our Easy Strip sentiment strip sheets with one of our Easy Strip dies. Our Simon Says Stamp Easy Strip die is a high quality steel ruled die that cuts out all of your sentiments in a single pass. You'll notice there are a nice selection of both large and small strip sizes across this die, which provides you with a variety of options, ensuring that you're going to find a perfect fit for your project. There are many different themes and styles of Easy Strip sentiment strips that you can choose from in our Simon Says Stamp store, and that includes holidays, birthdays, and more. Easy Strips are available as a white sheet with black printing, or the reverse where the greetings will stay white with a black surround. A great storage solution for these Easy Strips are one of our Simon Says Stamp Positively Everything clear pockets, because the flap helps keep your already cut sentiments safely stored inside so nothing's going to fall out. To cut one of your Easy Strip sentiment strip sheets, you're going to want to carefully align the die over the sheet. Use the interior margins within the die as a guide for making sure that the alignment is straight. And then once you're happy with the placement, you're going to tape your die to the paper so it doesn't shift while cutting. This is important. Then run the die through your die cut machine using the recommended sandwich recipe for wafer thin dies. When you have finished cutting your Easy Strips, this is where the magic happens. As you remove the die from the paper, you'll see all of your greetings have been cut apart in a single pass, and you now have lots of sentiments that can be used across a whole slew of projects. Your Easy Strips can be used as is with the black and white printing, or you can choose to foil them. Our Easy Strip sentiment strip sheets are printed with toner ink, so that allows you to use a toner transfer foil to apply foiled effects. All you're going to need is the toner foiling machine, such as a fuse, Mink, or even a hot laminator, to help you transfer that foil onto the paper. I recommend foiling your strips after they're cut so that you do not chance scratching your foil during die cutting, but you could foil first if you prefer. So here I'm cutting down a small piece of toner transfer foil so it's a little bit larger than the greeting I wish to foil. Then I'll place the greeting inside of a carrier sheet with my foil on top, keeping the pretty side of the foil facing up. I can then place this inside of my machine to transfer the foil onto the paper. Isn't it a beautiful effect? Now I can add this to a card project for an extra touch of shimmer and shine, and it took very little effort to get this stunning result. So as you can see, our Simon Says Stamp Easy Strips are a brilliant way to create a quick and pretty greeting. And with the added benefit of being able to add a little bit more pizzazz with foiling, you've got lots of options for how you can incorporate these into your creative projects. I hope you enjoyed seeing our Easy Strips in action and will try them out for yourself. Until next time, friends, have a fabulous day.
I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.